The topic we are learning today is participles. So, what are participles? Participle is a verb form that functions as an adjective or verb often used to describe an action that is ongoing or completed. That means a participle is a verb that can function as an adjective or can function as a verb and is used to describe an action that is going on in present or has been completed. So participles are of two types, present participle and past participle. What is present participle? A verb form ending with ing that describes an ongoing action. Ongoing action means an action that is going on at present. That is going on at present. And past participle is a verb form that describes a completed action or an action that has been completed. An example for present participle is walking, writing, talking, etc. And examples for past participles are walked, written and talked. Now we will come to the functions of the two kinds of participles. The present participle describes an ongoing action. It has been already mentioned twice that present participle describes an action that is going on at present. It is also used in present and future tenses. We often use it in present like he is going or he will be going. It is used as an adjective to describe nouns. Now, for past participles, it describes a completed action like walked, written or talked. It is also used in past and perfect tenses. Past tenses as in he has never walked in my shoes, so he does not know what it feels like. And for perfect tense, I have just finished my homework or I have just written the paper. And lastly, the last use of past participle is used as an adjective to describe nouns. So it is an adjective that describes nouns. Okay. So now we'll see some forms of participles and the main verb. The actual word is go. The present past is went and the past participle is gone. Swim is the present tense, swam is the past tense and swum is the past participle tense. Eat is the present tense, ate is the past tense and eaten is the past participle tense. So here we see that the two types of participle are covered in this paper today or in the video today. Thank you.